If you want to start Forex trading on your phone, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'll show you the step-by-step process of how to download and install MetaTrader 5. First of all, open up Google Play Store app on your Android device or App Store if you are using an iOS. Tap on this search icon. Type Forex MT5 and press enter. You will find this first application with over 50 million plus downloads. Tap on it. Press install. MetaTrader 5 is a powerful trading platform designed for trading Forex, stocks, commodities, and other financial instruments. It provides advanced charting tools, technical indicators, automated trading capabilities, and real-time market analysis. MetaTrader 5 is widely used by traders and brokers for its high performance, flexibility, and comprehensive trading environment. OK and installed it will be shown in the apps like this. That's it for today's video. If this helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.